I'm going to knock off for lunch, Harry. Okay, Jack.
Well, we're coming to the border. You have to stop.
Yes, I know.
Well, why don't you stop then? The sign says so.
Yes, I know that too, but the brakes can't read that sign.
Stop it! I'm trying! I'm trying! Oh, hey! Stop that car! Stop that car!
Come on, bring that car back here. Hurry up, get her back. Hey, what's your name, Bo? What'd you say? What's your name? Oh, my name is Chase. This is my wife. This is my mother-in-law. She looks it. You said it. Where do you think you're going? We're going to Los Angeles. Where? Los Angeles. Have you got a job there? No, I'm on a vacation. Half of Los Angeles is on a vacation already. Where are you from? We're from Salt Lake. I've got a job there. Oh, you are? You're running away from work. No! What do you want?
It isn't necessary to yell now.
Say, have you got any identification? Why, no. You see, we were robbed back there. Ha! That's what all of you hobos say. Well, you'll not get away with it this time, and you'll not get through here. There's enough of you guys in California already. So get going. We better be going. Well, we see you fellas in California. Maybe. You people looking for somebody? Why, no, but you see, we saw your fire from the road, and we thought maybe we could come over and get warm.
Yes, and maybe get something to eat.
Well, look, the boys are having a kind of a convention here, and they don't like strangers around. That is, unless you could do something to entertain them.
Well, we're not entertainers, really.
Well, couldn't the kid do a dance?
The kid?
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't danced in years, but my son-in-law sings a lovely song. He used to sing it to my daughter before they were married.
Well, what about it?
Well, I can try.
All right, come on.
Come on. Listen, dear, have you got a date tomorrow? If you haven't, I'll make a date with you. Promise, dear, that you won't be late tomorrow. We'll have an awful lot of things to do. So get to bed, get a lot of rest. 'Cause tomorrow you will want to look your best. But make it a big day. We'll start out at 9:30 and things in a big way. First I'll ask you to be mine. And when your pa has cussed us and your ma has said okay, we'll hurry to the justice, do our shopping on the way. Don't overlook a thing, get a wedding ring and a platinum one up that. I'll have my trousers pressed, get a fancy vest and a brand new derby hat. We'll make a payment down on a wedding gown and we might as well rent a flat. What do you say? Let's make it a big day.
Let's make it a big day. I'll have my hair set in a way.
Do things in a big way. I'll get a haircut and a shave.
I can't wait to eat my quota of that great big wedding cake.
Bicarbonate of soda always helps a tummy ache.
Now we'll invite a few of the tried and true just to pay a friendly call.
There might be some old friend that we might offend, so we best invite them all.
There won't be room for that in a ballroom flat.
We can always hire a hall, so what do you say? Huh?
Let's make it a big day.
Okay.
What was that?
That was the end of the wonderful one-horse shay.
Well, what do you think of that?
What do you think of that?
Well, how are we going to get there?
Come, come. We better start walking
I
back.
got it. Let's make believe we've been in a wreck. Then somebody's bound to pick us up.
Oh, no, that idea doesn't appeal
Oh, well,
to
now
me at
listen
all.
to me. It's
Oh, wait a minute. You lay down
You
and...
stop.
Oh, wait a minute here. Mother knows best.
All right, what do we do?
Just lay down in the road and they'll think we're hurt.
Probably get run over, but we'll do it. Come on.
Now, Mother, try to look unconscious.
She won't have any trouble.
Rolling car 14, rolling car 14. Be on the lookout for a hold-up gang using an accident racket. That is all.
Hey, what's the idea?
Well, I'll tell you, officer, we're in a little trouble.
In a little trouble? You're in another trouble.
Come on, come on. Wait a minute, come on. Oh, Mother knows best, huh? Wait, I didn't do anything. Come on.
And there you are. The rest speaks for itself. We spent the remainder of our vacation in jail.
Hey, fellas, you better get back to work. That new district manager's on his way up.
Oh, the new man. I have a message.
Good morning. Morning. Good morning, everyone. Morning. Morning, Mr. Wilson. Sit up. All right. Hello, you're Chase, aren't you? You been away on your vacation? Yes. Did you have a good time?
Fine, thank you.
Let's step into the office. I'd like to speak to you. That's the little fellow I had all the trouble with on the road.
He didn't recognize me.